welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you what I have or how I pack my MiniBe for like a regular day. If I'm going to Target, to the mall, like to run errands around the city, I just use my MiniBe. I love it. This is the ... print. And let's start showing you what's in the outside. If you want this bag, I will link it down below in case you want to order it. They have beautiful prints and they always come out with new releases. Pretty much every month or every other month they come out with new prints, and I absolutely love the JuJuBe brand. So that being said, let's show you the bag. The bag has a pocket here in the front that is like the mommy pocket. Or pretty much you can use this for toddlers, like if they're going to daycares or something like that, you can pack this bag for them and just put the bottle of water or something in here. I have my wallet here in the what is this, Donutella sweet shop print, and I only carry here my chapstick, and then pretty much I put here my phone or the car keys. Actually the car keys I used to put them in on the side, so just my phone. And then any coupons I have, I put them in here. This bag has two pockets on the sides. On this side, I have my hand sanitizer handy, the Baby Ganix one. It's a foam. And then on this side, I have these. It's called the Make Kits. I saw it on another video, and I love the idea that it's a hard case. So if you want to put like a granola or crackers or something, it will not smash. So I like that idea, and I bought it, and I keep some snacks for the baby and for me. This one is like baby mum. It's just teethers for him, and then I usually keep like some crackers for me. And that's all I have in there. And then the back of this bag, that's the MiniBe, I carry on this handle. I put my passy pot, and I usually put like 2 pacifiers in here before I leave. And it has like foam backpack straps that are really comfy. I really enjoy them. This usually comes off pretty easy, like it comes out because I like them to be like the longest set. So what I do is just I roll them, like I do a double, so it doesn't move or go away or falls on me like in the middle of the day. Inside of here you can find 2 zippers that go all the way down, and it has gaskets here on the side so the stuff will not fall, and it's just pretty easy to find everything. Here I have my is it wipe pouch or weep pouch? I don't know. Wipe pouch with Honest Company wipes. I carry my Donutella medium set here, and pretty much I just open it like this, and I have some little toys for him, a car here, a theater, another theater, and more snacks. These are just a bowl, I don't know what brand, oh, the Boon bowl, and it just has some puffs in there. That's it. I carry my like an extra blanket usually. I don't know why, maybe it's too cold inside the store, or maybe I want to cover his stroller. I use this one. This is like a muslin blanket. The brand is Toes. It's like a Spain brand of that little bear. And then here on this large set I have my diaper essentials. I carry 3 or 4 diapers with me. I think I carry 3 and then 1 extra in the bottom. I have my changing pad. I have Desitin. I have gloves in case it's like a blowout or something. I have some bags for the daddy diapers, and I think I have a little towel here because I have a boy. You know why? You know what's that for if you have a boy. There you go. This is the, I think it's Happy Hearts maybe, the print. And I just put from my web pouch, I put the handle here because it's just smaller and I like it. And then here in the bottom I have it like this. It's the Toki Doki and Sanrio collaboration Rainbow Dreams, or my Man, I'm really bad at the name of the prints. But okay, so it's a large set too, and I just put everything extra that I need here. So I have a lot of things here. I have a change of clothes in case I need them. I have a wet bag in case he have a blowout and I have to save the clothes, not throw them away. I have this coin purse, and you just have like band-aids and wet ones and stickers and alcohol wipes, cotton balls, cream for him, a bunch of random things. I put them in here. I have extra pack of wipes, just 10 of them, and I have one diaper, and that's all I have in there. And then right here in the back there's a zipper, and in the zipper I carry extra wipes. I carry wet ones. This is the small wipe pouch, and then I carry the pacifier wipes just to clean his toys, and then this one is just to clean like the area where he's gonna be playing. And that's it. That's all I have in my bag. Okay, and before I finish this video, I just want to show you that I have my wipe pouch here. Usually people keep it inside of the large or a big quick, but I like to have my wipes handy because I usually use them for everything, to clean his face, hands, areas, and everything. So I just like to have them handy. And if I put them like that, I don't even have to open the whole bag out. I pretty much just open one side and take them out. So I have them pretty handy. I don't even have to take them out actually. If I want to just open a little bit more, I can just open it here, take the wipes, and leave them in place so my bag is always organized. If you have any questions about this bag, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!